Let's dehydrate cucumbers. This is an easy, fast way to preserve cukes if your family doesn't eat a lot of pickles. I'll tell you all about the uses shortly. First, wash the cucumbers to clean them. I'm pulling out my mandolin slicer and using the thick blade. It'll take a hair longer to dehydrate, but it'll fit more cucumber on the trays. I can't slice evenly or quickly to save my life, but you could just slice by hand. Just be safe with the mandolin slicer. It could really do some damage. In other words, don't do as I do. Any blanch? I don't. I recommend researching it and the benefits. It's not necessary and it saves me time, so I just don't do it. But it does look prettier if you blanch it. It's supposed to last longer. Once all of the cucumbers are sliced, lay the slices in a single layer on your dehydrated trays and ensure all the trays are interlocked. This will prevent the air from seeping out the sides. Plug it in and go. Unless you have a customizable dehydrator. If that's the case, you'll have to look up the temperature and time online. Mine isn't adjustable, so I just plug it in and go. There are a lot of ways to use dehydrated cucumbers. I'm saving them for tzatziki sauce, tea, and goat treats primarily. They can also be eaten like chips, powdered for winter smoothies, or for flavoring dishes. They can be used in baked goods, add bulk and flavor to soup and stews. They're even useful for flavoring homemade salad dressings or tuna salad. So there really is a lot of ways to use these dehydrated cucumbers. Here you'll see the drying process, which is pretty cool. You'll see them shrivel up over time. After dehydrating, it is time for the snap test. Snap test lets you know the moisture level of a food is low. All you gotta do is pull out a piece, set it out to cool on the counter, then break it. If you hear a snap and it breaks, you're good to go. If it bends, it's not dry enough. You will see that the second one isn't as dry as I'd like it, but it's close, so I'll leave it in a bit longer. Letting the dehydrated food cool before the snap test is very important. If it doesn't cool, it may still bend while warm, so it won't be as accurate. Once dry, I'm tossing them into a 1-gallon jar with 2 silica packets. These will absorb any moisture and help them to last longer. You can also use O2 packets. I wasn't going to use them in this situation. The O2 packets will help them to last even longer as well. Hopefully I'll show you guys the homemade tzatziki sauce I make with these very cucumbers soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye everybody.